All right, we are back one more time. We got one more pack of 1991 Laffs trading cards. Again, the TGIF lineup, if you will, of Perfect Strangers, Family Matters, and Full House, all included in these packs. Really, we pull a few good cards so far, but really, we're still missing the elusive Steve Urkel rookie card. I really am hoping he's in this pack. Again, he's the man we want. He's the one we're really gunning for here, so luck be on our side, right? So let's open it up, see what we got. So starting out, we have a full house. So, I mean, if we were playing poker, that'd be a great card. I mean, it's okay. You got the whole lineup. You got the Jesse, you got Aunt Becky, Danny, Donna Joe, DJ Tanner, Michelle, Joey, and Stephanie Tanner, but we're looking for that. We want the Urkel. So who are we kidding, right? So we'll put Full House there. Perfect Strangers, like I said, not the ones you want. New Kid on the Block. That must be when Balky again causing some hijinks. So we'll put that one there. What do we got here, though? We have just says son. So I guess that's Carl and Harriet giving Eddie a big hug there, but that's a special moment, so maybe in the series, but not the one we're hoping for. But let's see what else we got. We've got Stephanie Plays the Field. I mean, that was the episode she perfected the Tanner Twister that she learned from Danny. Made some major strikeouts there, so good for Stephanie, but again, not what we're looking for here. So, oh, geez, another Perfect Strangers. We got the Sunshine Boys. Looks like Larry and Balky have seen a little too much sun, got a little sunburn, so... okay, we got one more card. So I'm hoping for a big one here. I'm really hoping for the Steve Urkel rookie. I really hope. I don't want to disappoint you, so I hope everyone, let's just hold our breath and it's Laura Winslow. But I mean, you got Steve Urkel there. You got him in the plaid pajamas. You got Laura looking very disappointed holding the Steve Urkel doll. Sorry everyone. I was really hoping to show the Steve Urkel rookie. I know a lot of people were really excited about that. So, I mean, what can you say? 1991 last cards. We had some good times. No Urkel, but keep searching.